bet. Now we have to. Anyways, we're gonna do something stupid today. Had this idea. Focus is already rice enough. Might as well make it worse. So I'm gonna have Nevin here. We're gonna weld that on the back of the fungus.
Something like that.
Tool of choice. You ready to do it? It was the dolly, man. Alright, got it lopped off. As you can tell, don't care. Shit cut. Didn't ask.
That's retarded.
That's great.
It sticks out from the car so much, dude.
It honestly, I mean,
First drive with the new exhaust tip. I'd say there's definitely a difference.
Oh, yeah.
But how am I going to use my coupon code in the drive-through?
Oh, we're going in?
I don't know.
Okay, never mind. I'm sorry.
Can we film inside McDonald's?
I don't.
Yeah, true.
Nice. Oh, you set on my GoPro batteries, huh?
Damn. Drop my key, and then I stomp on him. Check me out. My credit card information.
A McCoffee? Or a McWater?
Oh, no. Yeah. Dude, it's probably more expensive. Okay. Iced caramel coffee, large. Customized ingredients. I'm gonna make you pay an extra 70 cents, dude.
Damn. Round up to. No, man. It's an even $17. Ronald McDonald Hose Club. It's the Ronald McDonald.
Dude, I pay my taxes, dude. I don't gotta pay any more taxes to some.
It's not
McDonald's
taxes.
fund.
It's for kids with.
Autism?
I don't know. I'm sure. Or.
I don't see the money, dude.
Don't look at my credit card information. That's it. I'm done. I'm done for today. That's it. Goodbye.